This video tutorial I will explain what is maximum message size in Amazon SQS. What is Amazon SQS? Amazon SQS is a fully managed message queuing service provided by AWS. Amazon SQS allows you to send, store and receive messages between software components at any volume without losing the messages. What is the maximum message size in Amazon SQS? When using Amazon SQS, there is a limit on how large a single message can be. This is called maximum message size. Now we will see the key points. The first point is maximum size limit. Each individual message in Amazon SQS can be up to 256 KB in size. This includes both body of the message and any additional metadata. The second point is why is there a limit? The size limit ensures that messages can be processed efficiently and helps to maintain the performance and reliability of the SQS service. It also helps to manage the cost because larger messages would require more resources to store and process. So it will increase the cost. Third point is what happens if the message size exceeds the limit. If you try to send a message that exceeds 256 KB, then Amazon SQS will not accept it. You will need to split the data into smaller chunks that fit within the size limit and send them as a multiple messages. Fourth point is working with larger data. Chunking. Break your large data into smaller parts, each within 256 KB limit, and send them as a separate messages. External storage. Store the large data in the external service like Amazon S3 and send reference in the SQS message. Reference is nothing but S3 object URL. This way, SQS message stays within the size limit, but actual data can be much larger and the actual data will be there in the Amazon S3. To send messages larger than 256 KB, we can use Amazon SQS extended client library for Java. This library allows you to send an Amazon SQS message that contains a reference to the message payload in Amazon S3. The maximum payload size is 2 GB. Now we will see the example scenario. Imagine you have a web application that processes the user generated content. For example, photos. A photo file might be larger than 256 KB. Instead of sending entire photo in SQS message, what we can do is store the photo in Amazon S3. Send the messages to SQS which contains URL of the S3 object. The application receiving the SQS message can retrieve the photo from S3 using the URL. Now we will see the summary. The maximum message size in Amazon SQS is 256 KB. This limit helps to maintain performance and cost efficiency. For larger data, you can split the data into smaller messages or use external storage solutions like Amazon S3 and include references in your SQS messages. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more, and here you can see the description, and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.